Hey, well, welcome back. Today I am going to explore the Point Reyes Lighthouse. And off into the distance are the Farallon Islands. And between the Point Reyes tip, if you guys look on a map, if you're not familiar with Point Reyes, there's like a claw. Between the claw here and the Golden Gate Bridge is one of the most heavily populated great white shark areas there is on the west coast. So come along with me and let's go check out the Point Reyes Lighthouse and see what we can find. All right. Okay, so when you come down this road to get here, which by the way is an awesome road, you come to the sign here, and it looks like they might be, stairs might be closed, but we'll find out. And let's go over here and check this out for a minute too. So, coastal dunes at Point Reyes Headlands. They got a lot of sand, and you can see this beach stretches out quite far. And it's certainly beautiful. And a couple reminders: they don't want you to fly drones out here. We're almost out of COVID mask requirements. The 15th of February coming up. 2022. So this poster will hopefully be a thing of the past. Look at the color of that water down there and all the waves coming in. It's a little bit of a walk from the gate to the lighthouse. They don't allow you to drive on this part of the road. This sign here talks about all the shipwrecks. There are over 80 shipwrecks here between 1595 and 1849. They constantly were having issues in the fog and the rocks. And the lighthouse was built here and opened on December 1st, 1870, and was in continuous operation until 1975. This sign here shows a little more of the rescuing the shipwrecks. Now, in my other video, I actually filmed this and this on my Point Reyes seashore video, so check that out. You know, there's so much interesting stuff out here. Look at this like mossy rock area with all these interesting plants growing on them. And then you got this cypress here that has been here hundreds of years, as you can see by the size of it. And it's if you looked on the other side, they kind of grow to the wind. Yeah, you can see this one, like the constant wind kind of shapes them. Lost birds of Point Reyes. They're saying this is a unique area for bird life, extending 13 miles into the ocean. I guess that's a frequent stop for migrating birds. I don't know if you can see straight where my finger's pointing, but there's a deer there. And then there's two more. If you look for the ocean, where the ocean meets the land, there's two more grazing right down there. A lot of nature out here. So you come, this is the road I walked on. And then you come up and the lighthouse is getting close. Can you imagine living out here in that house? That would be pretty cool, and get paid, because I imagine one of the rangers lives out here. What an amazing place to live. You have to really enjoy isolation, however. Okay, this is the path up to the infamous stairs that you got to go down. There's 313 stairs, and it's a 900-foot drop down. So if you are not in the physical conditioning to do it, because it is brutal, you're probably going to end up just stopping here. Now this is also very cool. This is a water catcher. So it'd collect the rainwater for them. And look at that awesome picture of the whale. What a great shot, huh? Of course, the reason the whales are out here is the here's a good map where that red dot is, and Farallon Islands, this is San Francisco, Marin County, Bodega Bay. Get a real idea of where, and that's the kind of hook I was telling you guys about. And we're on the very tip right now. Look at this. 1,000 feet deep canyon off the ocean. Pretty far though. But look how deep this gets. 3,000 feet down. That's some pretty deep areas there. Wow, look at that view. Now, a certain time of year, you can watch whales from here as they migrate south. I don't know that much about whales and the migration pattern, but I think they head down there prior to winter. If any of you guys know more than I do, let me know in the comments. Let us know. This says California gray whale skull. Wow. 41 feet. Estimated weight 30 to 40 tons. Date found 1985. It's a big skull. Wow, what a day to come out here, huh? It's hard to believe this is February. Look at these little scoops come out of the sandstone. Pretty wild. And just some random cactus. Well, it doesn't even look like we're going to be able to get down to the lighthouse either. It looks like the stairs are closed. Check out that sign. Walking up those stairs is equivalent to a 30-story building. Well, it's certainly beautiful down here. $313 stairs all the way down there. You know, when all these restrictions go away, I'm gonna have to come back here when it's open. Because they give you they let you go inside the lighthouse, and they have a docent that gives you a tour. I've been here years ago. awfully nice out here. Check this out, I'm walking around the corner to go back to my car, and there's two deer just grazing right there. Not seem to be scared of me. I'm gonna walk real slow so he doesn't run away. This guy's eye on me. Pretty neat. See you later, dear. I'm gonna walk down this trail here. Brought myself a little snack. Whoops, don't trip. And sit and look at the view. Have a little lunch. Because it is, man, it's beautiful out here. As you guys can see by the footage I'm filming. Just incredible, beautiful nature of Northern California. Now, it's beautiful now, but you come here on a cold, rainy, foggy night, it's extremely windy, extremely cold, so it can be miserable. It's a little area here. Perfect. What a perfect area to have a little lunch break. Well, that was certainly beautiful and scenic, and thanks for coming along. Sorry it wasn't open. Another thing about COVID, you know. Can't wait for this pandemic to be over and everything will be back to normal. But thanks for coming along with me today at the Point Reyes Lighthouse. All right, bye.